And now let's get going for the next category. It's lightning implementation of Finestra Kondor. And that's presented to AU Bank. Once again, I request and call upon the team from AU Bank to join us on the stage to receive the award. A very, very congratulations, AU Bank. Once again, a very dedicated and devoted team of AU Bank. A very, very congratulations. That's amazing. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's have a huge round of applause, a little zeal pull. Let's always maintain this enthusiasm as these awardees are definitely inspiring, creating successful stories, and of course, achieving milestones. Thank you, and congratulations to the entire team.